Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Honda HR-V headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. This setup provides the necessary reference point for accurate beam alignment. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a measuring tape. Understanding the location of the adjustment screws is key to a successful process. Before you begin, park your Honda HR-V on a perfectly flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall or garage door. This distance is crucial for accurately assessing the headlight beam pattern. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this affects vehicle height. You will primarily need a standard Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Now, open the hood of your HR-V to access the headlight assemblies. Each headlight unit has two main adjustment screws. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down. The other screw adjusts the horizontal aim, shifting the beam left or right. These are usually found on the top or rear of the headlight housing. To adjust, turn the appropriate screw slowly. For vertical adjustment, turn the screw to raise or lower the beam until it meets the desired height on your reference wall. For horizontal adjustment, turn the other screw to move the beam left or right. Always adjust one headlight completely before moving to the other, ensuring precise and safe illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.